How to use portable two-way radios. As well as a basic operational guide, we have some easy-to-follow steps when using two-way radios. These basic steps demonstrate how to get started with two-way radios. Charge the battery. Before trying to use the radio, it's important to ensure it's fully charged. Whilst charging, the radio should be switched off. Power on the radio. Once the radio is fully charged, using the volume knob, power on, and turn the radio up halfway, just loud enough to hear the power on tone. Channel. Ensure everyone who needs to use the radio is on the same channel. The push to talk PTT button. Ensure the PTT button is pressed firmly. You'll feel and hear a definite click sound once the PTT is engaged. Follow this 5-step guide to avoid missing critical parts of the conversation. Firmly press the PTT button. You'll hear and feel a discreet click to let you know the PTT button is engaged. Pause for 2 seconds. Wait approximately 2 seconds to allow the radio to establish a connection before you speak. Next, speak in a clear, normal tone. Hold the radio around 6 inches, or 15 centimeters. Speak towards the radio, normally and clearly, as if you're talking to someone in person. Pause again for 1 second. This ensures the radio sends all the audio and does not cut anything off. Now, release the PTT button. That's the message sent and complete.